When I first started putting circuits in the back, it wasn't too big of a deal to have some homemade fuses. Now that there's so many circuits back here, I need to upgrade to some fuse distribution blocks. This current setup was somewhat organized, but it could also use a big improvement. And without any zip ties, it can be worse. So I got the Blue Sea 4-circuit fuse block. It's a name brand and the quality is great compared to the other ones that I saw. They do offer more than one style of fuse holder. My favorite part about this order is that Amazon actually dropped it off on my AC unit. So I'll be using this fuse holder for my lower amperage circuits. This is amperage that is pulls less than 15 amps per circuit. Note, this fuse box is capable of doing 100 amps total, which means each individual circuit can be as high as 25 amps each. This fuse block unfortunately does not come with any fasteners, but I have plenty of brackets and bolts and nuts laying around the garage. This power circuit will be ran to the relays for the air ride. This other circuit will be ran to my XK Glow RGB lights. I have a relay up front mounted under the dash that is used for my small electronics such as my gauge lights. Stinger Audio is one of my favorite brands from the early 2000s. Car audio companies like Stinger make some of the best electronic components, especially when it comes to fuse holders and distribution blocks, but they're mainly designed for high amperage applications. The only downside with this fuse holder is it does not come with the fasteners. I'm using a spare nut and washer that I found laying around the garage. So I'm reusing some of the original wire that I took off of my old setup. Fuse on fuse, I'm mainly using this circuit to get power to my low amperage fuse block. This will be the main hot power wire for the relay up front. The circuit I ran previously on my smaller fuse holder was for the relay switch. Now the power wire for the main air compressors. And last but not least, the subwoofer. Now I just have to connect the main power wire coming into the fuse holder.